Hello student. The first method, substitution method, question second. The first equation says 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3, and second equation says 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3 is second equation. The two equations is the decimal form, then the change the simple form. The first equation is 0.2 x plus 0.3 y equals to 1.3. They change the simple form to decimal form. Then 0.2 upon 10, then reduce the decimal x plus 0.3 upon 10, reduce the decimal y equals to 1.3 upon 10, reduce the decimal. Taking the LCM is 10, then values is 2x plus 3y equals to 1.13 upon 10, then 10 cancelled by 10, then the sign is equal, then cancel the 10 by 10, then equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 13, then the equation is first. Similarly, second equation is 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Reduce the decimal form, then second equation. Then process of the substitutions method, taking equation first. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Find the values of variable, any variable. Find the values of variable x equals to, the transfer the values 13 minus 3y, then values of x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2, then equation third. Then values of variable x is substituting the equation second. Value of x in equation second. Equation second is 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Putting the values of x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y as it is equals to 23. 2 to the 4 cancelled, the multiplied by 2 in this bracket, 13 to the 26 and 3 to the 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Then values of the transfer the 26, then remaining values is minus 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Transfer the 26 positive value, then negative, minus 26 minus 6y plus 5y, and greater values is negative, then values is y equals to minus 26 plus 23, negative values is greater, then values is negative, minus cancelled by minus, values of y equals to 3. First variable values is y equals to 3, then y values is putting in equation third, substituting the value of y in equation third. Equation third is x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2. Values of y equals to 13 minus 3. The values of y equals to 3 upon 2. X equals to 13 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 2. X equals to 13 minus 9 equals to 4. 2 2s are 4. Values of x equals to 2. Then answer is x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. And the complete solution of this questions. The homework is for substituting method, solve the equation. First question is x plus y equals to 5, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Second question is root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0, and second equation is root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0.